Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to find and change Wi-Fi direct password on HP Envoy 6120E. So if you just want to see your Wi-Fi password on your printer's display, tap on menu button and then find settings, tap on network, Wi-Fi direct, make sure that feature is enabled and then tap on view details. Swipe up a little bit and you see your Wi-Fi direct password, but as you can see you don't have an option to change this password from the printer's menu. To do this you need to use HP Smart application or enter the printer settings by direct IP. To get the direct IP, tap on print details and wait for the page from the printer. Make sure you have some paper before. Here is your Wi-Fi direct report, and in this section, in lower section, you can see your IP address. This one, you may need it if you don't use HP Smart application. Next, on your smartphone or computer, make sure your device is connected to the printer directly, so open Wi-Fi settings. My iPhone is connected to this printer, or also you can connect the smartphone and the printer to the same shared Wi-Fi network. Next, you need to open HP Smart. Make sure your printer is active. Wait a moment. Yes, it's active. You see this green check mark. And now tap on the printer style and select Advanced Settings in this menu. Tap on Advanced Settings. It takes you in the printer's admin panel. Here you need to tap on three bars over here and select Network. Expand this section and tap on Wi-Fi Direct. Now you need to enter PIN. You can find this PIN on the product label on the back panel of the printer. Here's your PIN. So tap on this field and enter the PIN. Hit done and sign in as administrator. Now you can see your Wi-Fi direct information, and you still can't change your password, but you can scroll up, tap on the arrow next to status and tap on configuration. Now make sure the connection method is set to manual, and in this field you can change your Wi-Fi direct password. Once you're done, tap on apply and your password is changed. Then you can go back to main menu and continue to use the application. If you don't have HP Smart application or just don't want to use it, you can access the same interface from a web browser, but in this case you need to make sure that your phone is connected exactly to the printer's direct network. And then you need to use this IP address from Wi-Fi direct page. You need to enter this IP address without HTTP. So let's open a web browser. Tap on the search bar and enter this IP address. It's already entered and remembered in my browser. Let's go there. Now you are in the same interface and repeat the same steps to change your password. If this video was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys!